All right, we're gonna go ahead and check out Naur's shop next. Naur, hopefully I'm saying your name right. I'm always wondering. But we've got DMTs. DMTs. That's hilarious to me. DMT. I don't know if you know what DMT is, but DMT is like a psychedelic drug will trip you out. So DMTs, I'm like, woo, cool shirts, you know. But we'll see. Cheryl, you're welcome, Cheryl. Let's check it out. Plant Mama shirt. Plant Mama. I like it. This is a cute shirt right here. I think this looks like a winter shirt to me. Plant Mama shirt, soft plant shirt, women's gardener nature shirt, super soft, funny t-shirt, plant lady shirt, garden shirt for women. So excellent job on the keywords. Excellent job on the design. Really like it. It's a cute design for sure. Plant Mama, you know, I could totally see, you know, any woman that loves plants could get behind this shirt or could get inside this shirt, you could say. Now let's check out this one. That's a great product right there. Let's just check the date on it, July 22nd. You are winning on it, so that's a cute one. And let's check out this one right here. We've got the Just Breathe t-shirt, Just Breathe shirt, soft yoga shirt, women's shirt, soft mama shirts. So again, excellent keywords there. Looking good. All the different colors. Heather peach, yellow, Heather mauve. Excellent. Yeah, this is great. This is great. 34 products. So you look like you've really landed. You've got some, look at that one. I love hot dads. That's hilarious. Looks like you've landed on some great keywords here or great products. You've got really good creativity and, you know, it definitely shows in your products as your products are really, really cute. Yeah. So, I mean, let's see. Overall, looks really good. This one looks so familiar. I feel like I've seen this shirt before. Very artistic. Graphic tee for her friend. Unisex jersey. Short sleeve tee. And there's a video. Let's see. What is the video all about? Oh, boy. Oh, boy. Look at that. Look at that. Wow. I agree. I bought two. Wow. Pam is supporting. She is getting some products out there. Yeah, this is great. I think your shop is looking really, really cute now. You know, you've definitely got an eye for design and coming up with catchy stuff that looks really cute. Grow positive thoughts. You've hit a chord here with your, you know, your flowers, and your listings look really professional. The images look really good, nice and clear. You've got your care instructions right there. So I'd say just keep putting stuff out there. You know, keep putting your products out there. You've got 11 sales, but only 1 review. So reach out to those people that bought and ask them for a review. Send them a little message on Etsy. Pull them up, send them a message and say, hey, you know, please leave me a review. If you could leave me a review, it'd really help. I'm a brand new seller here on Etsy, trying to make it happen. You know, so that would be really good. Go out there and get some reviews from those 11 people. I just came back from getting a drink. You must be getting creative on this Friday. Well, you can come back and watch this because I've been talking about it for a few minutes here. But as soon as this is over, you'll be able to come back and watch it. And right now we are right at about 90 minutes. So you can come back and see what I've already said about it. But great looking shop now. Love it. Really, really creative, really cute stuff. Keep putting listings out there. That's what's really going to take your shop to the next level, is just putting a lot of designs out there. And I can tell you really care about making your shop really cute. Here, I'll paste in the link for you, Christina, so you guys can check it out. DMT Designs. But you know, you might be a bit of a perfectionist and really be careful to only put really cute products on your shop. But, you know, just just don't overthink it. Put a lot of stuff out there. You'll find the winners, but don't be too careful, because then you might not publish stuff as often. And what's going to really help your shop grow is just publishing a lot of products so that you can find the winners. And then once you know which ones are the winners, then you can really scale the sales up on those.